Good morning. Quick step out. So I just got down the shop, had no intentions of starting this video yet, and after seeing what I've just seen, I thought it deserves a decent intro. As you've seen on our last video, my van turned up, and this filming is actually like 4 days later. I haven't had a chance to come down to the shop, but look at them, both together. One without an engine, one with an engine. One with good bodywork, one without good bodywork. They look good. Oh, bless. Before I get into this a bit more, I'm going to put my stuff down and get a bit more sorted out and catch up with you in a second. And we can probably go over my van, the red one. And welcome back. So, bit of a weird intro, but there we go. So, I'm down the doghouse again, as you've seen. Di's in there working on everything, and I've just been doing a little bit of archaeology, going through this old bad boy. Obviously, as you know, I've been taking that one apart because this is going in the other one. But just like we did with that one, all of this also has to come out. I've been doing a random bit of archaeology and just looking and seeing what I've got in here. Even found a pair of shoes. Forgot I even owned them. I did spend about 10 minutes trying to open this passenger door. Well, I'm not entirely sure where that ended off. Since then, helped die out. Had to move a load of vans around. Had to go drop another van off somewhere else. There is a lot's come out in it. There is my leisure battery that's underneath the passenger seat, and all the wiring that goes with it. I've obviously got my sub that, if I remember rightly, was a nightmare to even get in, so getting out is going to be fun. This wooden dash that I put in, which apparently is not in as well as I thought it actually was. Now that's not going to be that hard to come out, but obviously the dash is all got to come out. I'm going to strip the seats out because there's going to be everything from this: subframe, arms, engine, gearbox, wiring, pedals, heater box, dash, maybe not that dash, and many more things going in there. So yeah, quite a lot to do, and it still has to be drivable at the minute because there's what, 4 vans in there, and I'm currently blocking the door, so it's still got to be drivable. But well, you can't really see it too well in here, but that is completely rotted out. The sliding door hasn't even got wheels or the runner for it anymore. The arches are dunzo. I didn't quite realise how bad they actually were. All the paint and whatnot was obviously disguising all this. Yeah. Even the front, I mean, that's probably not normal. She is still good though. A little bit of an oil leak though, I did notice. You ain't gonna see that. So yeah. Oh, that door's about to fall off. Jonathan did say when he put these wheels in the back, the sliding door actually fell off because it is knackered. But obviously I've got, these aren't mine. Anyway, I'm gonna get set up because I do have to pull this dash apart, and stalling isn't helping. Stereo out. Well, that came out quick. Well, I've not really shown you guys too much. I've just sort of left you up on the top, but managed to get quite a lot of this out and apart. I mean, the dash is over there. All the panels and whatnot are back there. Excuse the tripod. But I've managed to get out. I mean, the wiring is, that's just the central lock-in, the blue and the black. That speaker wire, which had nothing to even do with me, that's just, now I've got the dash off and I'm stripping it. I pulled that out. There's a random red wire that goes from the fuse panel up into the like stereo wiring, and that blue wire as well, both red and blue. No idea what the point of that is. Yeah. All in all, what is this wire here? I don't have a clue what any of that's for. What is that? Something to do with speakers, I think. No idea. Well, that one goes in the back. I don't know. But I'm now slowly but surely stripping this. Thing is, this van still needs to be able to drive, so I can't take a wonderful amount apart. Now what I need to do is remove this. Now, if you can't remember what this is a cruise control unit. I did get very nicely sent this. I will try and remember to link them down in the description below, but it's cruise control for your T4. There is a video that we've done on this. Yo.
Want anything from shop? Drink?
No, I got a drink and whatnot.
Huh?
No.
No, is that it? I think it's yes.
Why was that?
He was like, no.
No, I don't think I need anything.
What do you want?
No, I don't need anything.
What do you want?
Nothing.
What you want?
Nothing.
Only Fanta, yeah?
I don't care, whatever. Whatever, I'll have whatever. Yeah, so this thing, you literally plug it into your fuse box and into power, and hopefully if I turn it on, yeah, the light still comes on. Then all you gotta do is program it. Now most T4s actually have this already programmed in, so 9 times out of 10 you just plug it in and go. But I will link this in the description because it is fantastic. I did have mine on the column next to me, but you can just buy it with just the switch and the button, so you can actually put it in your dash. Very good little unit, actually. Very good unit. Anyway, enough promotion, let's remove it. Along with this fucking steering wheel. Tell you what, taking this out with no dash is a lot easier. Just like that. In fact, I might actually have a giveaway with one of these, which I've been meaning to do for a while. So remind me, I've got a giveaway. Oh yeah. Cheers, mate. Something a little bit different. Let's watch Jonathan take a ball joint out.
Without the bottom.
And that is a top and bottom ball joint. And that is Jonathan, in case you've never seen him before. That's one of the faces behind the doghouse. The other one's making all the noise. So that was Jonathan doing ball joints. Thought it could be something a bit fun. If you are interested, I will try and get them on camera a little bit more. I know they're a bit shy, but stick a camera in their face, they'll be fine. I would film Di, but he's currently quite in depth in doing some timing. I don't want to distract him, that's all. So we'll get him next time. With this, I put the steering wheel back on. I can't really get too much more out of this because there still needs to be able to run and drive. But it is just literally this panel off. Get all the wiring out in one, heater box, steering column, a few bits and bobs, and then as it comes out, go straight into that. So I'm going to be getting rid of some more miscellaneous crap in here. This is going to be quite a lot the same sort of footage as what's been in the last few. It's just taking stuff off. Intercooler. I am going to be taking that out because this is now a turbo. I'm going to need that to put on the other one. This is quite a fitting way to end the video, me driving my van. Bit of a different way of doing it. Hang on, trying not to crash my van into my van. Sorry about that, I have way too much to concentrate on, but I've got to say I quite enjoy driving this thing again. I have missed being in it. Managed to get quite a lot done though. Dash is completely apart. Door card's off. Also the door lock somehow broke as well, so that's good fun. Don't really think I can get too much more apart because it still needs to be movable, but hopefully a couple more videos and the heart of this will be coming out, getting ready to be transplanted into the new one. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. Anyway, I'm going to stop my rambling. Hope that you guys are enjoying this content. I am trying my absolute best. As you can see, I am sporting my new Doghouse t-shirt. Actually very comfy. I have got a hoodie, but obviously it's not the weather for that. But anyway, I'm going to stop my rambling. I'm going to get myself off. Thank you very much for your support as always. Much appreciated. And just remember, the subscribe button's here somewhere. It's free. Come and watch us do whatever we end up getting up to. But bye from them, bye from me. And as always, take it easy guys.